In this video, we're going to talk about Brazilian blowout and how it is really great as a standalone service, but also in addition to hair extensions.
Lately, I've been acting crazy. I've been acting strangely. Heartbeats at 180. And baby,
What is Brazilian blowout? So Brazilian blowout is a smoothing treatment, and it is really good to target any sort of frizz in the natural hair. It aims to smooth the natural hair, and it doesn't get rid of your curl pattern like any other sort of straightening treatment would. For example, you might have your Japanese straightening, or maybe a more harsher keratin system that would permanently straighten the hair. Brazilian blowout isn't that. It is a semi-permanent treatment, and it works to smooth the natural hair. Today we're going to be doing a Brazilian blowout as well as a hair extension install. I'm always going to start by doing the Brazilian blowout first because that's what's going to give me that really smooth, sleek effect before the install. My client has wavy hair, she struggles with frizz, so I did suggest doing a Brazilian blowout before her install. That way her natural hair is going to blend in seamlessly with those hair extensions. So I start by washing and clarifying the client's hair before going in and applying that Brazilian blowout product. We're going to blow dry it into the hair and then straighten it, and then we do rinse it one more time. This means that when she leaves the salon, there's no downtime. She doesn't have to wait 48 hours or 72 hours before she gets her hair wet or sweats. She can go away and she is good to go. It's also really great because it means that there's nothing like build-up or anything blocking the hair extensions when I put them in the hair. We are installing wefts, so it's not a big deal, but it certainly would be if we were installing any sort of adhesive-based method such as a keratin or a tape. Brazilian blowout is a professional treatment and should be performed in a salon by a certified professional. What are the do's and don'ts of Brazilian blowout? People always ask me this, especially if they've had other keratin treatments done or similar straightening treatments. They'll say, can I wash my hair? Can I work out? Yes. After you leave the salon, you can work out straight away. You can sweat, you can wash the hair because there's no downtime. The reason that there's no downtime is because we do a second wash in the salon after the treatment has been applied. This means that for you going home, it's a lot easier and you don't have to follow any specific rules. The only thing I do advise is that you do go away and use the Brazilian blowout shampoo, conditioner, and also the ionic bonding spray.
come on now. Let me just touch it there. I got this love fever. Let me just touch it there.
Who is the best candidate for a Brazilian blowout? Honestly, anyone. Anyone that's looking to have smooth hair, that wants to reduce the drying time within their natural hair, and wants results that are going to last up to 3 months. So I love to do them on most people that wear hair extensions just because it really helps blend the natural hair with the extensions. So whether you have curly hair, wavy hair, or just that frizzy hair, the Brazilian blowout is really going to help you. I find that for me personally, when I do it, it just really helps create a smooth transition, and also means I'm not having to put as much heat on my hair at home because the dry time is half, and the minute I do any sort of style, for me personally, I find it lasts a lot longer and I'm not having to deal with that frizz if there's any sort of moisture in the air.
This love fever. Let me just touch it, oh yeah.
As a professional, when we're performing the treatment, it's important that we don't create that steam. That steam is definitely associated with our Brazilian blowouts, and the reason that that can happen is more so because of user error when we're working with the product. So the Brazilian blowout has come a long way. I personally have been doing it for years, and I find that the way I do it now produces way less steam because I'm not going in and putting that blow dryer directly onto the natural hair. I'm just hovering it above and then drying the hair with my boar bristle brush. This creates a lot less steam, and then when I come to straightening it, because I've removed all of the moisture when drying, I have a lot less steam. So I'm not coming into the salon, or clients aren't walking in and seeing all of this steam and fumes within the salon. We have a lot of color clients and they always want to know, can they still do a Brazilian blowout when they have colored hair? Yes. We perform Brazilian blowouts on colored hair, highlighted hair. It works really nicely and hand in hand. In fact, if I'm doing a Brazilian blowout, I actually like to apply the color first and then do the Brazilian blowout because I feel like it really locks in that color. What is the difference between a keratin treatment and a Brazilian blowout? They are very similar. There's some differences. Sometimes the difference is in the way that the product is applied in the hair, the way that it's blow dried and straightened in the hair. Some keratin treatments don't require you to wash them again when they're in the salon. They leave and then there's downtime. Some keratin treatments can be a little bit harsher than a Brazilian blowout as well. It also just depends on, the client. Sometimes maybe they're looking for really poker straight results. Then maybe the Brazilian blowout isn't going to give them that if they have super curly hair. Maybe they need to look towards something that is more permanent. A lot of my clients are concerned about volume. Are they going to lose volume when they do a Brazilian blowout? No, because there's different ways that we can straighten that treatment into the hair. If you add a little bit of elevation when you straighten, it means that you're going to keep that volume. If you straighten it really flat, then of course you're going to lose some of the volume. So it's more so down to us, the way that we perform it. We can customize it and cater it towards your needs. So we finished my client's service, we did the Brazilian blowout and also installed those hair extensions. I love the silky smooth result she gets, and she couldn't stop looking at her hair and how shiny and soft it felt.
We gonna get it on. The time is here now, so come with me. Hey, try your hand in the air.
Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and tell me, what video do you want to see next? Drop a comment down below. I always try and cater my content towards you guys and what you guys want to see. Thank you so much for tuning in. There's another one.